Description: mold, sculpt, form, define. Benefits: mold, sculpt, form, define. Suggested use: work a medium amount through damp or dry hair for complete control. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Clean ingredients, natural fragrances. Paraben, sodium chloride, gluten and soy-free. Sulfate-free cleansing. LOMATherapy consists of essential oil-based fragrances, natural aroma ingredients, aromatic botanical extracts. Vegan-friendly. Never tested on animals and vegan-friendly. *, we utilize a small amount of beeswax in our fiber putty and forming paste, which we obtain in a way that does not harm the bees. All of our other products are totally vegan, using no animal byproducts. Top reviews from the United States. Does a great job. I use this to style short men's hairstyle. I have a low drop fade on the sides, and about 2 to 3 of length on top that is usually parted off to the side and back. This has no problems holding all day, even after taking a 3 to 5 mile run break at lunch in Florida.